Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool product right here by the brand called Torras. I tested many products from Torras ranging from iPhone cases to wireless chargers and etc. But first thing first, I'm actually unboxing it to show you guys what comes with the package first. So when you first open the package, basically what you get inside is the case itself and nothing else. This case itself is actually really slim and really thin, if you guys can see. So it doesn't have that microfiber cloth material inside, which I don't like because it doesn't protect the phone too much, or not as much as the one with the cloth. They have this design on the bottom, so it's easy to remove because the part will open up like that, so it's much easier to remove compared to other cases out there. But if I were to compare this one versus the Torras one that I have here for the iPhone 11 Pro, I still love this one more because it feels nicer. It doesn't have the grip as good as this one right here, but then I like this one because of the feel and it has the protection inside for the glass back as well. But if we turn it to the back side, this is what it looks like. Similar to the one that I have for the soft silicone material, but this one is not as good as this material on here in my opinion. You guys probably like this one more, but then for me I like the other one better. The thing about this one that a lot of people like more, I feel like, is the fact that it's very thin, it's very slim. But if we look on the side for the button, you guys can see it's a little bit different as well. So it's like a little push up and push down button compared to like the other one right here. They have the buttons that are separate. This one is like that. If you turn on the other side, this is what it looks like comparing to their silicone one. So they have a button to push in like that, whereas this one is like you just push a button like that. And on the bottom, very slimmer as well. This one's a little bit more open on the 11 case compared to the 11 Pro right here. And that's basically everything that's on the case itself. So for this case in particular, I think they have like 3 different colors. They have it in red, black, and blue. So you can choose between those options. But basically that's everything that's on the product right here. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it though. So this case in particular costs around $15. And honestly, for me, I don't think it's worth it for me because I like the soft silicone material that's built on this product, which is also by Torras. I feel like if you're paying for the quality and everything, this is not as good in my opinion compared to this one right here. But if you guys are trying to look for that slim fit and thin look for your case, then definitely go for this one. You guys can see it's much thinner compared to the iPhone 11 Pro right here. But like I'll say in all my videos, if you guys don't need this or don't want this or have no use for this or don't even have the new phone, then obviously don't buy it or don't even watch this video because it's not relevant to you guys and save your money for something else that actually do need. But if you guys do have the new phone, then definitely get a case in general to protect your phone because you don't want to pay that replacement fee to bring it to Apple to replace the screen or something on the phone that's damaged. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have